and today I really want to put some edible ink on a cake. The design that I went with is the icon for Just Anya, that little owl. And then I have subscribed to Just Anya, and you can do that by clicking the subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of hot water. Mix until the sugar has dissolved. I made a double batch of my butter cake recipe that will be linked down below. Spread on top of the cake. This is just to ensure that the cake stays moist and doesn't dry out. Make a double batch of my basic buttercream recipe. I'll also link that down below. Spread a thin layer on the cake. This is called the crumb layer. This is to catch any crumbs that may fall. Place in the fridge just to firm up for about 20 minutes. Add more buttercream on top. This should be a thicker layer. Spread out and try to get it as smooth as possible. I have this really cool design on some edible paper. So you just peel back that piece of plastic. And then gently lay your edible paper onto the cake. Smooth out to ensure there are no air bubbles. With your remaining buttercream, color 1 yellow and 1 green. Place the green into half of the piping bag. And place yellow in the other side of the piping bag. Now with your full piping bag, create swirls onto the cake. If you're not happy with how your icing came out, you can easily scrape it off. And redo that section. Pipe small stars at the bottom of the cake. I'm really happy with how this cake came out, and remember to subscribe to Just Anya.